What's going on, guys? It's Adam from Family Pop TV. A special unboxing over here, which is new iMac 24-inch. I have ordered it as soon as it became available, end of April, and it took about a month to come over here. As you probably know, the new iMacs come in a bunch of different colors. The new iMac is definitely the world's coolest desktop at the moment. And I picked it's blue. As soon as the new iMacs came out, I knew exactly which color I needed. Okay, let's open the box. It's meant to be opened like that. Ooh. This thing is really thin. Look at this. Look at this bad boy. Ooh. Right. Let's peel it. I guess it's meant to be peeled off like that. Ooh, nice. I've been waiting for this my entire life. Okay. Hello. Stripe off. Let's take a look at the screen, guys. It's ridiculously thin. It is amazing to have the entire computer in such a thin body. And this is all possible thanks to its new Apple M1 chip, which is I'm sure you all heard about by now. The magnetic port here, that's for the power cable, USB-Cs and Thunderbolts. At the top we got microphones, it doesn't need fans, it doesn't need any cooling like the other new Apple devices. The new iPad Pro with M1 chip and the new MacBook Pro also with Apple M1 chip. Doesn't need any cooling. There you go, accessories. The keyboard, it's matching the color of the Mac. Let's take it out, let's unwrap it. Looks so good. redesigned power cable. That's the adapter. Look at this. A new Magic Mouse. I'm definitely gonna keep this box. When I bought my first iMac exactly 10 years ago, I kept the box and I still have it. And this is the moment I've been waiting for. It clicks. Guys, now we're going to compare the brand new iMac with the iMac I bought exactly 10 years ago. That was iMac 21.5 inch mid-2011. The old iMac from mid-2011 is significantly thicker, nearly 4 times thicker than my new M1 iMac, which is only 11.5mm thick. The old Mac has got the 21.5 inch screen with HD resolution, and the new iMac has 24 inch screen with 4.5K resolution. My old 2011 iMac came with 512GB hard disk and 4GB of RAM memory and Intel Quad processor. It's very slow, and I've been able to upgrade the system to only as far as High Sierra OS X, which was, I think, in 2017. The old mouse and keyboard needs 2 AA batteries. The new Magic Keyboard and mouse is powered by built-in battery. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that unboxing video. Please give us a thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to Family Pop TV. That was Adam. See you next time.